Today we learn about table tennis. History. This sport is governed by International Table Tennis Federation, founded in 1926 in Berlin. It currently has 220 members. Indian Table Tennis Association was constituted in 1938 and the game has been a part of Asian Games since 1956. Table tennis has been an Olympic sport since 1988 with the categories of men's single, men's doubles and women's doubles. Measurements and specifications. Table. Table tennis takes place on a hard table. This table is 274 cm long and 152.5 cm wide and 76 cm high. The table must be uniformly dark colored with matte finish and it is divided into two halves by a net at 15.25 cm high from the table. The color of the table is usually blue or green. The ITTF approves only wooden tables or their derivatives. Shape of the table tennis table: rectangular. Length of the table tennis table: 274 cm. Width of the table tennis table: 152.5 cm. Height of the table from the ground: 76 cm. Length of the net: 183 cm. Height of the net from the table surface: 15.25 cm. Paddle or racket. Players are using a laminated wooden racket covered with rubber on one or two sides depending on the grip of the player. The wooden portion of the racket is often referred to as a blade. The average size of the blade is about 17 cm long, 15 cm wide. The racket may be of any size, shape or weight, but the blade shall be flat and rigid. Ball. The international rules specify that the game is played with a ball which has a mass of 2.7 grams and a diameter of 40 millimeters. Terminology. Chop. A defensive technique of pressing the ball down with a reverse swing. Counter-attack. Receiving a hard-hit ball with unexpected good return to the server and scoring a point. Deuce. A tie game at 10-10 score is called a deuce. Foot fault. The server during service should not change position of the feet. Free hand. The hand other than the one that is carrying the bat which is used during the service. Forehand push. Returning the ball to the server with a simple push at right angle. Loop spin drive. A good return by lifting the ball high with a fast spin over to the base of the opponent's court. Match. A 2 out of 3 or 3 out of 5 games contest. Point. Rally in which score has resulted. Rally. Counter-attack of strokes during which the ball is in play. Smash. To hit the ball hard so that the receiver does not find time for good return. General rules. Common rules. The choice of playing position at the table and order of service are determined by the toss of a coin. The team or player winning the coin toss has the option of choosing, that is, the right to receive or the right to serve first. After choice has been made by the teams or the players, the other team or player makes the remaining choice. The change of service takes place after 2 points have been scored. A point is normally awarded when the play of a service is concluded. The receiver then becomes the server and the server becomes receiver and so on after each 2 points until the end of the game. A game is won by the team or player who first scores 11 points with a 2 points margin. If both the teams or players score 10 points, then the game will be won by the first player or pair subsequently gaining the lead of 2 points. A match consists of the best of 5 sets for men and the best of 3 sets for women. Singles play. Service. At the beginning of the service, the ball should be stationary, resting freely on the open palm of the server's free hand. This hand should be above the level of the playing surface till the ball is struck. Return. The ball having been returned should be struck in such a way that it passes directly over or around the net and touches the opponent's court. If the ball touches the net or its support while passing over or around it, it is treated to have passed over directly. Scoring. A point is scored by the side that makes the last successful return prior to the end of a rally. An unsuccessful return occurs whenever the ball is missed, is hit off the table, sent into the net, or hit onto the player's own half of the court on the return. Failure to make a good serve also scores a point for the opponent unless it is a let. Let. A let ball which is then replayed is called in the following cases. If the served ball while passing over the net touches it or its support, provided the service would otherwise have been good or volleyed by the receiver. If a service is delivered when the receiver is not ready for play. If either player has to be warned or penalized. If either player is prevented by an accident not under his or her control from serving a good service or making a good return. Doubles play. Good service. The service is delivered except that it must touch first the right half of the service court or the center line of the server's side of the net and then passing directly over or around the net, touching the right half of the receiver's court or the center line on the receiver's side of the table. Order of service. The first 5 services must be delivered by the serving partner of the pair who has the right to do so. The service must be received by the receiving partner of the opposing pair. The second 5 services must be delivered by the receiver of the first 5 services and received by the partner of server of the first 5 services. The third 5 services must be delivered by the partner of the first 5 services and received by the partner of the server of the first 5 services. The fourth 5 services must be delivered by the partner of the receiver of the first 5 services and received by the server of the first 5 services. The next 5 services start over in rule of order of service. Scoring. Rules for scoring, fouls and lets are same as in singles play. Some fundamental skills include agility, concentration, speed, hand-eye coordination, grips, which include western grip or shake hand grip and pen hold grip. Strokes. Services, which include top spin service, back spin service, top spin with side spin, back spin with side spin.